Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another bang on the channel. Today we got my straight pipe F90 M5 and my cousin's G80 M3, and we're going to be cruising to Manhattan in both of these cars. So enjoyed this video, and if you guys do, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. All the parts you guys are seeing are from KB Tuning, all the carbon parts, the exhaust, the downpipes, the intakes. To be exact, my F90, when I mean straight pipe, has full front mount intakes, full catless downpipes, and a full titanium exhaust, which means it is straight pipe. While this car is basically stock, it has intakes and an axle back, but it's still pretty loud. But you guys will hear that in today's video, so let's get straight to it. Bye-bye. Yo, thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Huh? Going to Manhattan. Yeah. We're going to POV Drive. F90? Yeah. Thank you, bro. My bad. I'm recording I'm recording a POV right now. Thank you, bro. I do this in every video, but listen to the hotspot. It's gonna be an amazing video, guys. We got the G80 out too. Going to Manhattan, get some nice cinematics in Manhattan, maybe get a quick dinner. We're gonna be pressing our M1, which if you guys look, it's gonna go to all our sport options. M mode changes our dash. And let's get it going. Got the G80 right behind us. Guys, stay tuned for what we're gonna do to the G80. We might do a catless downpipe soon, but let me know your thoughts in the comments of what we should do. G80 looks so clean, guys. This Prius is causing so much traffic. And now look, the whole rest of the way is empty. I don't know if you guys watched our last video where we did lowering springs. I know I said I'm gonna stop yapping, but this car is lowered on some lowering springs, so you guys can kind of get the feeling of how it is. Honestly, I don't really notice much ride quality difference. They're both amazing cars, guys. I'm wondering what that sound is, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound every time I'm changing lanes. I don't know what that is, or what is that light that's keep coming on in his car. I don't know. It's a weird light, guys. I think I got time to check out the car, man. That's a little weird. Yeah, look, it's still flashing. What's going on? Hard left. shooting flames? What the fuck is that? Guys, that is insane. This car is literally shooting flames. I don't know what that is. It's an Audi or a Volkswagen? I think he's trying to do it again. Let us hear it, let us hear it. Now I'm realizing, like, I'm kind of noticing a nice difference of hitting bumps at higher speeds with the lowering springs. I know you guys are probably not able to see much because the lighting is very weird since I have dark tint all over, but trust me, just by hearing you guys, I know you guys already enjoy it. Just enjoy. Those low RPMs are sick. Left, 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 left. Go, 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 go. Go, go. We made it to our destination, which is the LV building. As you can see, we're gonna take some cinematics and maybe get some more POV drives later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below where you guys want to see us drive next. If I should go by myself, with the G80, whatever you guys want. I want you guys to comment a video that you guys want to see me do next. And I love you all. Thank you so much who's been watching. And peace out. See you guys in the next one.